How can I organize my tickets? In this video, I will show you to use filters and bookmarks and how to sort your tickets. In the navigation on the left, click on Tickets. By default, you can only see your own tickets. Are you the default ticket contact for your company? Then you can see all the tickets of all your colleagues. By default, only open tickets will be showed. The tickets are sorted in descending order based on update date and time. At the top of the screen in the grey bar, you will see the filter. Is it not visible? Then click Show Filter at the right top of the filter. You have several options. You can filter on creation date, category, priority, one or more tags, and one or more statuses. Do you want to save the settings for the filter? Then click Save at the right top of the filter. Or maybe you want to go to the default settings. Click then Reset Filter. In the ticket overview, you can sort the tickets in different ways. You can sort on last modified date, creation date, or execution date. And you can choose an ascending or descending order. Do you want to save a link to a ticket or to a specific activity within a ticket so that you can find it easily and quickly? Then use a bookmark. I'd like to show you how to create a bookmark. Open the ticket. You can now bookmark the entire ticket or a specific activity within a ticket. Click the icon of the bookmark, add a bookmark note, and click Save. Now you will see an enabled bookmark. To get an overview of your bookmarks, click on your avatar at the right top of the screen, and then select Bookmarks. The overview shows all active bookmarks by default. You can filter on bookmark type, status, and creation date. You see the reference number and the link for each bookmark that has been created. To archive a bookmark, click the three dots next to the bookmark and choose Archive. In this video, I have shown you how to organize your tickets. Would you like more information about Maki? Or do you want to ask a question? Please send a mail to support@yourmaki.com.